Hey there! In our video today, we are going to talk a little bit about grammar, give you a quick quiz, and a short lesson about how to use its versus its. This is Talia Argandesi. I am the director of the Center for Writing and Speaking at Ursinus College. A quick credit, the sentence that we'll be talking about today and the author is written by Allison Robicelli, who's also the author of every sentence in our worksheet that will accompany this video. And her article is all about Hot Pockets. So the first thing you'll need to do is pause the video, take a look at these two sentences, and decide which one you think is grammatically correct. So go ahead and actually pause the video. Okay, I'm assuming you are back from pausing the video. I'm going to tell you the right answer. So the correct sentence is number 2. Nothing that is stuffed inside of a Hot Pocket tastes like it's supposed to in the world that exists outside of its pallid beige jacket. So why is that one right and number 1 is wrong? It's actually because of that first it's. That it's, both of the it's in that sentence are in the possessive form, and for that first it's in the sentence, you need for it to be in the contraction form because it stands for it is. So let's talk about that real quick. So it's a little confusing why sometimes you use it's and sometimes you use its. The first thing to just know is that it's with an apostrophe always stands for it is. It's never used in any other way. It's just a contraction that stands for it is. So the only time you'd ever need the apostrophe with its is if you are using it is, an abbreviation for it is. So this is easy to check when you're proofreading your own work. If you see your it's with an apostrophe, just mentally substitute the words it is. And if that makes sense, then you've used the correct form. But if you say it is and doesn't make sense, then you need the other form with no apostrophe. The form with no apostrophe is the possessive form. It just means something that belongs to something else. So examples of that I put here, like its essential part, its tallest mountain, its empty core. This form with no apostrophe is always the possessive form. The reason it's confusing is because almost every other possessive form in English does use an apostrophe, but this one doesn't in order to differentiate it from this word, it is. So, if you want some additional challenge about this, we have a nice worksheet on the website. This is the link, but of course if you just Google Ursinus Writing Speaking, you'll get to it. And the worksheets are mostly under resources for students. If you're an Ursinus professor, you can email me, Talia Argandesi, for the answer key. And of course, I highly recommend making an appointment with a writing fellow at the Center for Writing and Speaking, which you can also do through our website. Thank you so much for your time. Bye.